Okay, let's look at good news today. Raymond Magsaysay Award Foundation has announced the names of 5 winners of the awards for year 2015. The good news today is 2 of them, Anshu Gupta and Sanjeev Chaturvedi, are from India. You know, they are with us, both of them, and very special in very ways. Anshu Gupta, NGO Goonj, and Sanjeev Chaturvedi, the brave Indian forest officer who's taken on the establishment in several states. Congratulations to both of you. Anshu, to you first. Quite remarkable what you've done with your NGO Goonj, because you've made sure that old clothes that people like me would otherwise discard can now be given to people to live with dignity, for the poor to at least be clothed with dignity. I always wanted to ask you, first of all, congratulations, but where did the idea for Goonj come from?
Thank you. I think a lot of things, to be honest, and a lot of incidents also which I've gone through. When I was doing my mass communication way back in 1990, 91, that is where I met this person who used to pick up unclaimed dead bodies for the local police. And that time I used to wonder that why people actually shiver in the winters, and why we are not making sure that people get clothes. Because you say, when you talk about 3 basic needs, you say roti, kapda, makan, food, cloth and shelter. But I never found cloth or clothing mentioned in the list of development subjects, or now any kind of development goal to policies. I think unfortunately we have just missed it.
Right.
And then when I met this person, and his daughter said, in Hindi she said, कि जब मुझे ठंड लगती है तो मैं लाश के साथ चिपक कर सो जाती हूँ. I think that's where a lot of things come up. That's where you see that how badly we have missed some absolutely important issue.
Right.
And that's how, I mean, this was one of the incident how Goonj was started.
You know, that it's fascinating you're saying that. Sanjeev Chaturvedi, you know, in your honor it is said, exemplary integrity, courage and tenacity in uncompromisingly exposing, investigating corruption in public office. How difficult has it been for you to take on these politicians and the corrupt of this country? Do you believe that people can use today, that there are bureaucrats out there who can take on the politicians?
Actually, in our system, in our constitution itself, there is an elaborate chapter on the services. Protections have been provided to them. There are safeguards. And in my case in Haryana, whenever there were problems with the state government, central government used to intervene. There were presidential orders, and there were extraordinary orders for my relieving. And here in AIIMS also, whenever there was any problem and I could not get justice from the system, I had to go to the judiciary, and I always, at the end of the day, I always used to get relief.
So you believe that in India an honest person can take on the system? You believe an honest person will be protected?
Yes, sure.
So he won't just get Magsaysay Award, the system will protect him. That's a good, you know, that's a positive thing that you're saying there. You know, Anshu, it's also seen a lot of young people want to today become NGOs, do the kind of work that Goonj does. Do you believe today Indians are increasingly motivated by public service? Young Indians?
Yeah, they are, for sure. I mean, if you see the number of initiatives which are taken by today's youth, or people who are coming from different sectors and getting into this, it's very encouraging. It's certainly very encouraging.
And what's your message to those young Indians, Anshu?
I mean, there is an ecosystem for that.
What's your message to them?
Oh, so I think it is time to take an action. You know, that is what I always say, that enough of thinkers in this country. It is time to do something. It is time to take an action. It is time to take an initiative, and people must get into this fearlessly and do, and I mean follow their passion, whatever they want to do, whatever in the country which is troubling them. Right. They must take an initiative on that and start doing it.
Okay, so
I'm 100% sure that there is a very large support of the people of the country. Right. For such initiatives. Goonj is an example of that. I mean, if we are standing today, it is because of the people of this country.
Well, that's, both of you are sending a positive message. Sanjeev Chaturvedi saying, if you want to fight corruption, you can. The system will protect you. Anshu Gupta saying, if you want to join an NGO and do public service, there is an ecosystem which will enable you to grow. Both of you are the pride of India today. I want to congratulate you. Thank you for coming on the program, Anshu and Sanjeev, on a day when I think we've seen the darker side, and we've seen what happens when a terrorist when you have the politics of terror, it's reassuring to know that civil society is as vibrant as ever. Thank you both very much and congratulations once again.